In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the black screen issue during screen sharing on Discord. This is a common problem that many users experience, and fortunately, it's usually pretty straightforward to fix. So let's dive in and get your Discord running smoothly again. First, you need to open your Discord app either on your computer or browser. Once you're in the app, look for the settings icon. You'll find this nifty little gear icon right next to your channel name. Give it a click, and it'll take you to your user settings. Now that you're in the settings menu, take a look on the left side and scroll down until you find the option labeled Advanced. Click on it. Inside the advanced settings, your goal is to disable the hardware acceleration feature. You might be wondering why we're turning this off. Well, hardware acceleration is great for graphics, but it can sometimes cause the notorious black screen glitch during screen sharing. Simply flip the switch to disable it. After you've done that, you'll notice an option labeled Change and Restart appear. Click on it because this is essential for applying the changes we've just made. Don't worry, the Discord app will relaunch automatically, so hang tight for a few moments while it does its thing. Once Discord is up and running again, make another visit to the settings by clicking on that gear icon. This time we're focusing on the voice and video settings, so scroll down and click on that option. Now, you'll see a number of features related to both your voice chat and video streaming capabilities. Click on the Video tab to continue. When you scroll down, keep going until you reach the bottom of the options list. Here you'll see the option for OpenH.264 video codec, which we need to disable just like we did with hardware acceleration earlier. Speaking of which, ensure that the hardware acceleration feature here is also turned off. After making these changes, it's time to restart the Discord app again. I know this might seem repetitive, but restarting is key for these adjustments to take effect. Now, with Discord restarted, head back into your settings one more time. This time, we're going to focus on registered games. Scroll down until you see this section. Discord tends to optimize certain features based on the games you play, so it's important to verify that it recognizes your applications. Click the Add It button to manually add applications. Select Google Chrome from the list since it's often linked with screen sharing issues. Then confirm your selection by clicking Add Game. Here's a quick note. Ensure that both the toggle overlay and toggle detection features within this section are turned on. These should help Discord better recognize what you're sharing on your screen, potentially eliminating any further sharing hiccups. And there you have it. Follow these steps, and you should find your way out of the black screen conundrum on Discord. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any more questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below.